So for this week's video, we had to choose a geologist that specialized in a category of geology that we were interested in the most. And so the scientist that I chose to do more research on was Professor Elizabeth Catlos. And her areas of expertise in geology are geosciences, geochronology, tectonics, igneous and metamorphic petrology, and she has 17 years of experience in the geology field. And so a little bit on her education is she received her Bachelor of Science from the University of California, San Diego in 1994, and she majored in chemistry with a specialization in earth science. And then she later on got her PhD from University of California, Los Angeles in 2000 in geochemistry. And so her job is an associate professor in the Department of Geological Sciences at the University of Texas in Austin. And her job consists of conducting research in geoscientists, tech courses, and providing services to this geosciences community. And she is also in charge of overseeing their electron microbeam laboratory in their research department. And companies use this machine right here to research the chemical information about their rocks that they use. And then what I found really interesting about her job was during the summers, she goes into the field, like in the mountains, as you can see right here, and gets to hike and collect samples all day. And then this seems super interesting and fun to do, and it stuck out to me because I'm thinking of maybe going into some sort of geology or maybe like earth science field, and this seems like a super interesting aspect of her job that she has.